أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today we are going to make walnut halwa. So here we have all the ingredients. We have the walnuts, dried milk, sugar, cardamom, butter, milk. I will do the list in the description. First we're going to grind the walnut. That's one tablespoon of ghee. You add the walnut and you cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now you add the dry milk. Okay, now you add your milk. So that's 1 full cup and 1/3 of a cup. That's for 75 grams of walnuts. Now you have to let this cook. Okay, so that's cardamom. As you can see, it's about this much. You need to keep stirring it and let the milk evaporate. Okay, so when you get to this stage, you add your sugar, which is one fourth or 60 grams. Okay, so the halwa is now done. So that's the walnut halwa ready to serve. Let's give it a try. Get some walnut in. Bismillah. MashaAllah, that's really good. As you have seen, it's very easy to make it, and you only need few ingredients for this delicious walnut halwa. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.